Yeah, it is your birthday, but I'm not sure if the chocolate is yours. Because we both bought chocolates.
Okay. It is our birthday. Sorry, I know why. It's your chocolate because it was our birthday. Nah.
So we can share.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nthabi.
Us.
Happy birthday, dear. Me and you.
Don't look at me while driving.
Happy birthday to us. Oh, that's the other one. It's okay.
We can share. Because
Sure.
clearly you want it.
No.
You know you want it.
Yes, baby, I want it.
Fam, I have guests that keep coming and coming. You know what? But what I wanted to say, so we're on our way back to our beautiful getaway. And I just wanted to say this: do an act of kindness whenever you can, whenever you have a chance. Just do an act of kindness. You'll never know what that could do to someone else. You know, normally I don't talk about the things that I do to help others and all of that, but I got touched by the fact that we just passed by a garage, and I obviously went to the bathroom. The ladies were busy cleaning there and making sure that the bathrooms are nice and neat, and they had that container there. It's written tip, so if you want to tip, you know. And then I didn't have coins in my bag or money because I honestly don't carry cash around. Then I came to the car and my husband had 20 bucks and I gave it to them, and they actually said that I was the first person to give them a tip for today. So do an act of kindness. You'll never know how much it means to someone else. So do that.
Do that.
An act of kindness.
Act of kindness. Any other money left over? No?
So guys, this is the patio. So that's how it is, how it looks, obviously with the view of trees everywhere. Hey RealFam, so I'm gonna take you on a tour of this room. So as I explained, hey RealFam, so the last minute tour that you're about to see, it's a little bit messy, it's a little bit crazy. I was rushing, literally rushing. And I just want to say I apologize for the rush and for the low quality of that part of the content. I believe I could have done better, but I promise to do better next time. So just watch it and understand that I can see that it wasn't the best, but I also wanted to just give you a little bit of my experience of the place. What I saw on the website compared to what was there kind of differed a little bit. I think the style of the bedroom was quite different from what I got, but nevertheless, we make every moment count and we create beautiful memories in the process. So we're still grateful. Love you, fam. So as I explained, this was my husband's birthday and we were obviously celebrating. By the way, I hope you like how I look. We don't have much time, so I need to be as quick as possible. So this is the room. Let me show you. So as you enter, So you have your wardrobe here. So don't mind, I didn't like this color of the balloons. I felt like they were, but it's fine. So that is the wardrobe there. My shirt is misbehaving. I'm coming. Someone has good booty. Booty. Ooh, I've been working out. Does it show, guys, that I've been working out? Anyway, so the other side has a small safe and disinfectant sprays and all that, because I believe that, hey, it's so important to be safe. All right, so this is the bedroom. Look at that. I so love the colors that they used, and look at that decor. So obviously the bed is a bit messy, so we arrived to this champagne with a happy birthday balloon. I really love this. I think it's a cute design, and you know, the yellow goes with the bedding. And you know, because it's summer, guys, the fact that it's summer, I think this was actually the best. All right, so because wow, we were supposed to have checked out at 11, so yeah. Ooh, I think it needs to be captured with the phone. Okay, but before I do that, so that is also some of the decor inside. As you can see, this is so cute, guys. And then look at this tiny yellow chair. Okay, let me show it to you here. Tiny yellow chair. It looks cute, eh? Look at it. Okay. All right. And what else? So obviously, in here we have, not obviously. Why am I saying obviously as if you know what's in here? Okay. I'm trying to be quick. So that's our mini bath fridge with like glasses and cups of coffee, because we had all of this to enjoy, but I just had, okay, we had all of this to enjoy, but I just had 1 cup of coffee in the morning. And then yeah, guys, okay, the bathroom, and then we're done. The bathroom. Okay, come to the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Obviously, you know, we had to do something extra special, so the petals were all over the bar. So guys, this is the pool area. How gorgeous is this? Look at that. It's gorgeous, guys. PT, yeah. PT, we didn't get to swim.